Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. We are looking today on the 13th of November in a Thursday. We're looking at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, as this one seems to break out of a bullish triangle. Now this triangle, if you want, is a triangle that acts as a reversal pattern. What does it mean? It means that you have a bearish trend prior to the triangular formation and then a contracting triangle that is breaking lower. What is the contracting triangle? The contracting triangle, from my point of view, goes and starts from this moment of time. So this is an important area, like this, from here, and then an X wave all the way to the upside here, and then the triangular formation starts. And I would say it goes in the following shape. A bit of an ugly shape, but when trading you don't have to be picky. So from here I would say we have wave A to the downside all the way here. So this to be wave A, let's make it a bit bigger, like this. Then the B wave all the way to the upside here, and B either here or here, it doesn't matter. Let's say that this is the B wave. Then of course we need to have the C wave to the downside, A, B, C, and the D wave. Even though the D wave goes and makes a new high, there is not a problem with that. Like any contracting triangle, it travels within the A and C and B and D trend lines. This will be the B to D trend line, and of course they need to contract, meaning they need to point towards a future point in time. And how about the E wave? Well, our E wave to the downside, I would say that ends or is ending right here. So what should we look for now? Now we should look for the B to D trend line to be broken in or respecting the time element. So basically we should see a break on the B to D trend line here in less than this time. And this is the reason why normally we should go and buy call options on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, or at least looking for the long side if you are trading the regular spot market. What would be the B2D trend line? Where the B2D trend line should be met? Well, parity yet again. So let's write on the screen what we want to do here on the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. What we want to do is to buy call options, buying call options with end of week expiration date. Now, end of week expiration, it doesn't mean that we actually wait for 1 week for the option to expire in the money, but we merely wait for 2 days, as this is Thursday, and tomorrow, by the time the US equity markets are closing, the option is going to expire, and most likely is going to expire in the money. So buying call options with end of week expiration date for the pair. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. A bullish triangle, an ugly triangle, but ugly things sometimes turn into beautiful creatures. Have a great day. Bye bye.